How to manage emergency alert notifications on Twitter. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to manage emergency alert notifications on Twitter. First go to Twitter and then go here and you will find this one, settings and privacy. Click on it and then you will see this one, notifications, and then click on preferences. And now you'll find this one here, push notifications. Click on it and then just go down and you will find this one here. Just click on it or turn it on if you want. And that's how manage emergency alert notifications on Twitter. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.